back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be doing a jewelry haul. I'm super duper excited to be collaborating with Jeulia Jewelry. This is my second time collaborating with them. I believe the first time was 2 to 3 years ago. I can't really remember. I did a review on a ring. So this is my second time, but this time around they were so kind enough to send me all of this jewelry, which I cannot wait to show you guys. So if you're new to my channel, again, my name is Leslie, and I love filming fashion videos, home decor, shop with me's, vlogs, a little bit of everything. So if you enjoy those kind of videos, be sure to like and subscribe, and also don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you're notified the next time I upload a new video. I hope you guys enjoy this huge jewelry haul. Every item that I show on this video is going to be linked down below, as well as our Instagram. We're going to open this first box and see what they have in here. Okay, as you can see, it is 2 little boxes, which I'm assuming is probably a ring because I did order a few rings. So, oh my god, they are like all set up. I thought I had to set them up for you guys. Oh my god, look at that beauty. Let me do a close-up. Oh my goodness. Wow, this is beyond beautiful. And the box that it comes in, it says Jeulia right there. Wow, that looks stunning. I had to pull up my phone to see the name of this ring. This is a classic cushion cut sterling silver ring. The carat weight for this stone, it is 4.8. The little stones around the ring, altogether it is 50 stones. What I love about this brand is that the rings are gorgeous, they're great quality, and also this is something that you can use, like for example, if you're going on a vacation, you don't want to bring your big diamond ring because you're scared. I mean, it happens, you know. Things can happen with your real diamond ring. You don't want to get me started. But anyways, this ring is stunning, you guys. I am obsessed. Let's look into the next box because I feel like it's Christmas for me. Okay, we're going to put this one away and move on to our next little box. When Jeulia contacted me, I was so excited because I felt like I could share with you guys different styles of jewelry. I believe I picked some things that I don't typically wear, but I wanted to see the quality of it. The rings, I know the rings were beautiful because I worked with them before, but everything else I wasn't sure. So I was like, you know what? I want to see what they have. Next up, we have another fun box, and let's open it up. Ooh la la, gorgeous. I'm gonna take this tag off, and all of my rings, I got them in a size 7. This is the ring. Oh my. I'm actually gonna try it on so that you guys can see how it looks. Wow. So beautiful. The amount of stones that this band has is 139. Altogether it's 5.7 carats, and this is how it looks like. It is a bit I want to say it's a bit uncomfortable. The stones are kind of bothering me, or maybe because I'm not used to it. Also, the color of the stones, it is white. Again, sterling silver. And here's a close-up of the band so that you guys can see it. This would be a really nice gift for Mother's Day and also for an anniversary. This band right here retails for $120, and also it has a 30-day guarantee. If you do not like your ring, you can always send it back and they'll refund you your money, but trust me, you won't send it back. The rings are beautiful. We're gonna move on to our next box. Okay, let's see what we have. Okay, also, yeah, that's another thing that I wanted to share with you guys. This box comes with a little bag where you can place the jewelry that I was just showing you. And also inside the bag, as you can see, it has like a little greeting card where you can write a message. Over here, This is also, I believe, yep, that's what it is. You get like a little cloth to clean your jewelry. Place it back inside the box. Put this in here. And there you have it. That's a really nice detail. I thought the packaging was really, really nice. Boxes are a little bit bigger. So let's pull them out one by one. And this right here, they don't come with a bag, which is fine. I mean, I'm not going to need it really. I mean, I only need one bag because I did get one thing for my mom. So let's open it up. The outside of this box is very velvety. Nothing on the bottom, nothing on the top. And this is what we got. Oh, it's in a little pouch. Okay, let me open it up and see. And this is the bracelet that I chose. Let me put it on. It's kind of like dainty jewelry, you can say. This is something I don't typically go for, but I was trying to do something a little bit more minimalistic, you can say. So when I saw this bracelet, I was like, okay, let's give it a try. Oh, it's pretty cute. This is how the bottom looks, how you adjust it. It's pretty interesting. You just pull it or push it in to make it smaller. And it has two little cute hearts. This is called the Arrow and Heart. The price for this is $65. Again, sterling silver. They also carry gold, you guys, but it is a little bit more expensive. I was trying to adjust this, but I really can't. It's kind of hard. Let me see. There you go. It adds a nice touch. And right here, this little squares, or I guess rectangles, they do have little diamonds, 4 on each side. I have a mole right here, and I got burned right here with the 1. Oh my god, me and the 1, we have like a love-hate relationship. But anyways, moving on, you guys, this is my third item. We're gonna put it back in there. Next up, we have, ooh la la, a necklace. The name of this necklace is called 3 Wishes Triple Layered Necklace. I just saw that they have matching earrings, and these earrings are beautiful. Why didn't I see them before? This is how the necklace looks. I'm actually going to try it on and keep it on. Oh, this is really nice. I'm very used to statement necklace, but I wanted something very delicate and small, minimalistic. You know, you got to spice it up from time to time. And this is how it looks like. You see, you can kind of see it, like if you turn, you kind of see the sparkle. Let me know in the comments down below which is your favorite piece so far. What do you think about the necklace? Do you wear this kind of necklace? So this is new, but I like it. And I think gold with my skin tone looks really, really nice. If you look closer, you can see that there's also some little diamonds and the blue stone. I'm loving it. I can't wait to show it to my husband and see what he thinks. I think he's really gonna like it. My husband is one of those guys who he believes that less is more, which is, it's true sometimes, not all the time though. So here we have 2 items. 2 items and that's it. Oh my god, I don't remember what's the last 2. I completely forgot. I'm gonna keep the necklace on, and I'm also gonna bring you guys a little closer. Okay, I think I like this setup better. And over here, another box. And I want to say this is a ring, because I know there's another ring that I ordered. Ooh, actually it is not. Wow, I completely forgot about this. Oh my god, look at that. Earrings. The reason why I went with these earrings is because I thought they gave me wedding vibes. And for the longest, I've been wanting to take wedding pictures with my husband, because when we had our wedding, it was what, 2000 and it was almost 6 years ago when we had our wedding, and it was a court wedding. It was nothing major. I saw these earrings and I immediately thought, I need to get myself a wedding dress and take some pictures with my husband, just because I'm already 30 years old. I got married, what, 6 years ago. I was a lot younger. And I don't have any wedding pictures, so I told him, and that's so funny. Today we were talking about that too. I told him I want to get a wedding dress and just take pictures, you and me. And, you know, keep those as memories because I'm not sure if we're ever going to have a big wedding. So, who knows? But I would love to have some pictures just as memories because we're not getting any younger. So, anyways, back to the earrings. The earrings are to die for. Look at those earrings. Oh my. I'm going to try them on for you guys. And this is the front of the earring. Wouldn't that be a nice idea, like to take pictures, just like the two of us, like not the kids. I wasn't thinking about the kids this time because when you take family pictures and the kids are involved, forget it. It's chaos. And I just wanted it to be just me and him and very personal. Maybe do it at this special place that where he proposed to me. So, I don't know. I have to look for a photographer. First, I need a dress. That for sure. Then I have to look for a photographer, like a really nice wedding photographer. That's what I'm looking for. But check that out. Oh my god. These earrings are stunning. What do you guys think about them? Oh my. Let me get my phone. The name of these earrings is called Coronation Drop Earrings. The price for it is $139. But oh my god, totally worth it. Look at that. Oh my. I can already see, girl, it's gonna happen this year. Watch. You wait and see. I think we have another box and that would be it. But let me go back to the details of these earrings that we have right here. And also, even though they're a bit pricey, remember there's a discount code. This is not something that you wear every day. This is for like a special occasion. I have to say for Mother's Day, oof, this would have been perfect. Altogether, these earrings have 164 stones. Carats is 6.93. Diamond, it is a sapphire in a color white. And what else can I tell you about this? Earrings. Sterling silver once again. I don't know about you guys, but I'm feeling myself with these earrings. Wow, they're so stunning. The earrings that I was wearing for my wedding when I got married with Evan at the courthouse, I think I still have them. They were a lot more dramatic, very custom jewelry earrings, which is, there's nothing wrong with that because I still love those kind of earrings. But this, I feel like it's more sophisticated, more well put together. You look more like a lady. That's just my opinion. And I love them. What girl does not like jewelry? Like, let's be real. I love jewelry. Honestly, I love everything. I think you guys know that by now. That's what my mom says. She's like, you don't love just one thing, Leslie. You're like all over the place. I'm like, what can I say? It's just something that, it's inside me. It's in my veins. I was going to say, and that is it for today's video. But nope, we have one more box. So let's get to it. And last but not least, here we have another ring box. And voila! This is what we got. And this is actually going to be for my mom. I got this for her. I thought it was beautiful. Whoops! I'm not going to take the tags off. When I was little, I remember her having a ring that was pretty similar to this. It looks so much like the ring that she had when I was little that I saw it and I was like, oh my god, I'm gonna get this for my mom. Look at that. That is beautiful. This band is stunning. What you can also do is layer the bands with the diamond ring, and that makes it even bigger. And yes, I know I'm wearing it backwards. I remember when I had my ring, I would do that all the time. The band goes closer to the heart, and then the diamond goes out. So that's how it's supposed to be. But again, you guys, that is my mom's ring. If you think it's a little bit too much, you can always just wear a simple, the band like this, or just this ring. Thank you so much to Jeulia Jewelry for partnering up with me for this video. And also don't forget, everything's going to be linked down below as well for the discount code. So that if you guys are interested in any of the pieces that I show you, check the description box. That is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to let me know which item was your favorite. For me, I have to say this is my favorite. And if I do get a chance to do the pictures that I told you guys, I will definitely be wearing the first ring that I showed you. Oh my god, I'm super duper excited. I'm definitely getting bridal vibes over here. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys on my next one. I'm trying to do like a really cute commercial over here. So if you're a guy watching this video, if you cannot afford a diamond ring at the moment, at this place and time in your life, and you're in love, you want to propose, this is another option. Like, honestly, it is. And if you know anything about diamonds, you know that diamonds are very expensive. So this is another alternative. If I get a chance to do my wedding pictures like I just mentioned, I will definitely share them on my Instagram. So be sure to follow me there at LeslieJoanna_.